Yeah? What you doing at the park? You want to go slide?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Then we go slide now. Do you want to climb up? Be careful.
Ew.
Ew! You go play slide?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Then go play slide.
Eh.
Yay! Go play slide.
Eh.
Let's go. Play slide.
Eh.
Yeah? Be careful, okay?
Whoa.
Wow.
Whoa.
You scared?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Eh. Eh.
Yeah? Come back.
Oh.
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 Wow, be careful.
Oh.
Are you going to slide?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Oh, it's wet. It's wet. You want to go do monkey bar?
Yeah.
Okay, come back then. We do monkey bar.
Eh.
Come on. Come back then. Be careful. Are you scared? Okay. We go check the small one. Yeah? Uh-oh. Are you scared?
Yeah.
Yeah. Be careful, okay? Can you go to monkey bar then? Want to monkey bar?
Yeah.
Okay. Then we go do monkey bar.
No.
Yeah, you say yes. Monkey bar. Yeah. You're gonna do monkey bar. Wow. You want to start from here? Yeah?
But.
Yeah.
But.
Wow. Do monkey bar. Go do all the way down. Wow. Do monkey bar. Do all the way down. Uh-oh. Hi. What you doing, Eddie? Eddie, what you doing? No. No, do monkey bar. You don't want to do monkey bar at all? No? A trust. Yeah. Put a recycle. No. Pick it up. No, you need to pick it up. What are you doing? Careful, okay? It's hard? No, I don't think it's hard. Uh-oh. I see you. I see you, Eddie. Say hi. Say hi to Mama. Eddie, hi. Where are you going? I can't see you. Yeah, you're right there. Hi. Hi. Uh-oh, you trying to climb up. Yeah, what are you doing? Eddie, come this way, Eddie. Going back. Come on. Hi, I got you now. Yeah? Where you going? Where you going?
But.
Okay. Be careful. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah? Try to stand up. Good job. Jump to another one. Yeah? Be careful. Uh-oh. Where you going? Oh, it's wet. Oh no. Everything's wet, then we go home then. Want to go home now? Where you going then? Oh, you want to go try?
Yeah.
Oh, do monkey bar again. Wow. Good job. Do more. No? What you doing over there? Eddie? What you doing over there? You like the monkey bar?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Uh-oh. Be careful, okay? Yeah? Oh, you... Okay, you want to go try the small slide?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go then. Oh no! Let's go play this small slide. Okay. Ew, it's wet. Yeah, today everything is wet. Then we should go home. Yeah. Oh, you got water on the slide. Where you going? Oh no. Yeah, everything's wet then. No, the same. It's wet. Oh no. Since everything's wet, then we should go home. Okay, Eddie. Then we go home, okay? Eddie, just go home then.